Hey there, welcome to Bright Future Insights. Today I'm sharing my top 5 productivity hacks to boost your daily routine. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This helps prevent small tasks from piling up. Hack number 2, time blocking. Dedicate specific blocks of time for different activities. This helps you focus on one task at a time without distractions. Hack number 3, the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle to maintain high levels of concentration and avoid burnout. Hack number 4, prioritize with the Eisenhower matrix. Categorize tasks into urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on what really matters. Hack number 5, declutter your workspace. A clean and organized workspace boosts productivity and reduces stress. Keep only essentials on your desk. There you have it, my top 5 productivity hacks for daily life. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Bright Future Insights for more tips. See you next time.